The key ingredient to any user feedback is, of course, the user. When one of your users gives you feedback, you'll naturally want to know who they are. Now, not just their name and email, you'll also want to know all of their important attributes. Are they a trial customer? What plan are they on? How often do they log into your application? User identification adds context to your users' feedback and ensures you can provide the best experience for your users. Let's take a look at user identification with Userback. To start identifying users in Userback, all you'll need to do is send us over your user details via our JavaScript API. You can send us whatever properties you want to better understand your users, and it will all show in Userback. So when users are submitting feedback from your web application, not only will you receive all of the session information, screenshots, session replay, and context you need, you'll also have the additional user properties that you're sending over. By passing this user data through to Userback, not only will you be able to better understand each user's feedback, but you'll also be able to filter on the other feedback you have from users who share the same properties, helping you make better product decisions for your product roadmap. There are so many ways that you can slice and dice these user properties to help you make better decisions. For example, I'd like to see all of the users that are submitting feedback who are on my basic plan. Here I have a list of all of the users on my basic plan who have submitted feedback on my web application. I might also like to find all of the users who are on a current trial account and see the feature suggestions that they're making so I can maybe identify any gaps in my onboarding process. We can also dive in and take a detailed look at a specific user. By viewing the user details, we can see the most recent feedback that's been submitted and all of the user properties that are being sent through for this user. To help you better understand the most active users that you have inside your application, you'll also be able to report on the top users who are submitting feedback. For more information on setting up user identification so you can start sending over user data, head to our help center, search for user identification, and follow the instructions to get started. If you need help setting up your user identification, please feel free to reach out to us at any time.